Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new feature in Fish It game of Roblox that will let you to teleport to your boat. Okay, let's get into it guys. This feature is from the Kahana expansion update in Fish It. This update has just been released and then I'm going to show you guys how you can use this feature. Okay, first of all, I'm going to spawn my boat like this. And then here you will be able to see the teleport button, and you can click on the teleport button to immediately teleport to your boat. Okay, and after that you can drive your boat. Okay, this feature is quite helpful because sometimes I get drowned when I want to drive my boat. So this feature is yeah, helpful. Okay guys, and that's how you can teleport to your boat using the new feature in Fish It game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!